The pelvic floor is a sling of muscles that runs from your tailbone to your front bone, and both men and women have a pelvic floor. The pelvic floor is really important because it controls your continence, and it also supports your pelvic organs in place, and it also controls your sexual function. In order to work your pelvic floor, you want to imagine as if you're holding in wind and holding in a wee. It should be a back to front squeeze from the back, around the bottom and up to the front. You can try this lying down, sitting or standing. Sometimes to work different parts of the pelvic floor, you can stand or sit in different positions. You could stand with your toes pointing inwards, and that would work the front side of the pelvic floor, or you could stand with your feet pointing outwards, and that would work the back part of the pelvic floor. If you're not sure how to work your pelvic floor or how the muscle is functioning, then you can always get in contact with us and book an appointment. A pelvic health physio will complete an assessment of you to make sure your pelvic floor is working in the way we'd want, to make sure you're able to coordinate the muscle and see how your strength is, and maybe give you some tips, advice and a thorough treatment program in order to help you strengthen up this muscle and help improve its function. Your pelvic floor isn't always weak. There are lots of different things that can cause weakness in the pelvic floor, and this depends from person to person, but physiotherapy can definitely help with this. If you've got any questions about your pelvic floor or how to work your pelvic floor, do get in touch, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.